Hello everyone, let's look at the new Microsoft Store tool to install multiple apps at the same time. So Microsoft introducing a new tool which is only available through the web version of the Microsoft Store that allows you to select multiple apps to create a package that you can run with one click to install all the apps you need on your computer. This will make it easier for downloading and installing apps, especially during a new installation of the operating system. So if you ever used the Night tool to install multiple apps on your computer, the multi-app install option from the Microsoft Store has the same idea. First, you just need to select the apps that you want to install on the computer. From here, you just need to click the Install Selected, and what will happen is that a exe file will be created for you to run on your computer to install all the applications that you selected with only one click. So if we save this, we just need to double click to run it, and then installation will start. But you won't see anything on the screen. You might see the Microsoft Store, but nothing else. Now, it is important to note that at the time of this recording, you can only select from a handful of apps to use the multi-app install package. So everything that you see on the screen, that's what you can install right now. Now, it is important to note that the multi-app install from the Microsoft Store is not the only way to bulk install apps on your computer. We also have the Windows Package Manager. However, this is a command line tool which requires a little bit of knowledge on how to use the command line experience on Windows. However, we can also use third-party tools such as WinInstall that allows you to select the apps that you want to install on your computer, and then when you have all the apps that you want, and then you can just click on Generate a Script and you can use the generated command to install all the apps at the same time. You can even download a batch file that you can run on your computer that works similarly to the installer from the Microsoft Store. And that's it. That was a quick look at the new Microsoft Store multi-app install solution for Windows users. Now, let me know in the comments what you think about this new feature. Remember that currently it's still limited. Also, like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet. And I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.